Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can see Instagram private account followers. So I'm going to show you the simplest way to see the followers of any private account. So first of all, just open your Instagram application. Now as you can see that this person's account is private. So now I want to see her followers. So if I click on followers, you can see that it's not showing. The same for following. I can't see anything for this account. So you have to click on these three dots and then you have to click on this copy profile URL. Simply get back to Instagram application and open your Chrome browser. And then simply just paste the link you've copied and search for it. And this interface will be shown and you can see the followers still not showing. You can see this account is private. So the very YouTubers are telling that that's how you can see the followers of any private account, but you can see it's still not working. So what you have to do is just get back to your Instagram application. So the Instagram will show you that who are their followers and who they are following. So you can see this window suggested for you. So these are the followers of this person. The whole people you are showing in suggested for you are actually the followers of this private account. That's how you can find the followers of Instagram private account. If this video was helpful, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.